Yo, what's going on, man? I don't know if y'all heard this earlier, but this thing is really loud, man. Really loud. It's got speakers right there on the top. This thing has to have at least like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 speakers. It has at least 8 speakers, bro. Unbelievable. Josh, what's up, man? How you feeling?
Hey, first of all, happy everybody came out. It's a lot of new faces. There's some people I ain't never seen before in my life out here. With that being said, pay attention to what you're doing. Please. Don't get out here. If this is your first time coming out here, don't get out here and try to do what everybody else try to do. Yeah, ride your ride. You're going to see somebody doing some wilding out. If you can do it, cool, but I pay attention to what's going on around you. All right? Yeah, use your mirrors. If you got it. If you got it. Or you can turn your shit out your head. Please.
Turn your head.
If you on the booster, you know you're going to be in the back anyway, so don't. No, just like. But for real, though, just be safe. Pay attention to what's going on around you. We're going to go. Where Paul go? 8577. You said?
We're going to come out this way to Graham Street, though. Okay? To take 85.
You turn this way?
85, yeah. It's coming out this way.
Okay, yeah.
Take this back road. Yeah. To Graham Street. Graham Street, we're going to hop on 85. Okay? 85
so,
south.
When we pull out, stay behind Paul.
Yeah.
Stay behind Paul. Once we get to, where we go, yeah.
Pull up right here.
We're going to pull up over here. But stay behind him. Don't dart off and go whichever way you want to go. But we're going to do that. Where we going? Graham, 85. And then we're going to hit 85 to 485.
85 all the way.
To,
the second 485. Not the first one. The second one takes you around past the Fort Mill and all that.
Towards the outlet.
Yeah,
going towards that. It's going to say Pineville or something like that. Pineville.
Pineville and go on down.
Don't keep going straight and go to dead Gastonia like some people do.
Yeah.
And be careful, because come in that curve is, you know what I'm saying, don't come in hot if you ain't Silk or, his crew.
Hey, Rashawn, can I say something? Hey, I'm gonna say something real quick. If y'all gonna pass somebody, if y'all pass, you better pass somebody that's going slow. Give them some space.
Yeah.
Please, give them some space, because you never know what somebody gonna do. And if you pass them, shooting right past them, they might make a right turn and run into somebody else. Give them some space. If you're gonna pass them, just, because everybody ain't always watching, because people ain't using their heads.
Yeah.
If people ain't looking,
please. If you're not gonna ride this whole ride, please split off somewhere else. Y'all be confused.
Or go in the back. Be in the back.
People gonna follow y'all.
You're not gonna go to Carowinds Boulevard. Please do not be all the way up front. You confuse people.
Right. You out.
Yeah.
Hey, the reason why we ain't trying to make this long-winded, but basically, like last year and all that, it was some idiot going on. So that's why we try to keep. Every time we come out, we try to harp on, at least trying to be safe somewhat.
Nobody too cool to be safe.
Yeah,
Nobody too cool
you
to be safe.
You know where the location is, so if you gotta take your time getting there, then take your time getting there. We're gonna be there for a little while, waiting to see you pull up.
So the destination where we're going, so just in case.
Carowinds Boulevard, the QT. QT on Carowinds.
If you miss your exit, keep going. Don't. You know what I'm saying? Don't be cutting over, getting people hurt.
Yeah.
Take the next one. It ain't that serious. Not the other one down the road. This one, yeah. Carowinds Boulevard.
Yeah. Hey. One more thing, like he just said, because
it's not cool.
When y'all, I understand you got with the cars and all that. definitely pay attention, because you get some people that almost took him out that want to jump from one side all the way over without even paying attention, almost clipped his front wheel. So pay attention to what's going on around you, okay? If you ain't never done over 100 miles an hour or 120 miles, stay your ass in the back.
Don't let today be the day.
All right? If you on a 250, 300, whatever, I don't want to hear you trying to whine until it blow up just to try to keep up. Just ride your ride.
We all gonna get there and chill. You know?
When you upgrade, then you'll be up there. But I be seeing 300, and I'm like, bro, it's gonna blow you up. All right, come back in real quick. We're gonna do a prayer.
All right, dear Jesus, thank you for today. I thank you for all being safe and happy and all being touched. Thank you that we are able to come together and make the conversation.
All right, it's lit, man. We about to pull out. You ready? All right, let's get it. I'm like, what?
Well, evidently not.
Some people out here running the church.
Yeah, but everyone here is harmless.
All I heard was. That's a nice Yamaha right here. But anyway, Whaatwaa family, that was lit, man. About to go ahead and head back and do my thing. It was fun.